I would say as a general proposition, only about 5% of criminal cases in general go to trial. It's a very small percentage. What seems to happen is as we process a case and we go through the discovery process of interviewing the state's witnesses, which are usually police officers and expert witnesses, both sides have an opportunity to flesh out the case. Both sides have an opportunity to get a pretty good understanding of the strength or weakness of the case. And as a consequence of that process, most cases end up getting resolved. So in other words, there can be a meeting of the minds at some point prior to trial with respect to what a fair resolution might be. The office is set up myself. At the time I have one associate, sometimes I have two. It kind of varies on the caseload. And then we have an office administrator. She's kind of the liaison between the lawyers and the clients and handles a lot of the day-to-day activities. So most clients are very comfortable with that. They know that there's a very good line of communication, and I think that we go out of our way to make them feel that if they have any questions, issues, those can be answered for them immediately upon calling the office. When the clients call in, the prospective clients, we encourage them to set up a consultation at the office. There's no charge for that. There's no obligation. And it gives us an opportunity to sit down with the client one-on-one, listen to what their particular issue is, what their concern is, what they've been charged with, perhaps what they're under investigation for. We can give them some advice, and then we can decide together whether or not it's a good fit and whether or not they would like to have us represent them.